community forum you have attended on Kashmir Day, where almost all the local Pakistani organizations participated. What are your thoughts and feedback for our community, especially when you attended this forum online?
Wa alaikum assalam. Naveed, thank you for this opportunity. The feeling and the sense which I got from that event was that the statement which I always give is that there is unity in diversity and there is beauty in divergence. It was such a pleasure and honor for me to see all of you together at one forum, and which gave me an incentive to take it further and to extend this over Western Canada, which is the jurisdiction of the Consulate General of Pakistan in Vancouver.
You have been engaging the community to build one strong platform in Western Canada. How far are you to announce its existence, and what are the aims and objectives for that?
Naveed, again, very interesting question, and we have been talking about it with various associations, and at time in general I have made some statements to this effect. Let me put it this way: we are at the cusp. I have accumulated all the information, and I will, as a first step, going to create a WhatsApp group of all the associations in Western Canada, starting from British Columbia, Alberta, Saskatchewan, and as far up north as the Yukon territories. For now, the aim of this group is basically to have connection with each other, ease of passing of information from Pakistan to all the Western Canadian provinces, be it regarding consular affairs like visa, like passport, NICOP or POC cards. It will also include trade opportunities, which we will get from time to time and which we will share with all the communities through the Pakistan Canadian associations of the Western Canada. Now that is basically the theme of this WhatsApp group. The follow-up to this would be is to expand this platform and give a message to not only to all the association but to all the community living in Pakistan, in Western Canada of Pakistani origin, or even if they have been born here or have they been born in Pakistan, is a sense of unity, a message to progress, a message to integrate ourselves, the Pakistani community in Western Canada, within the Canadian system, so that the society, the community here becomes a productive part of the Canadian society. This would entail social programs, this will entail economic programs, but of course, every association is independent to follow their own agenda. There is no dictation or direction, just suggestion and sharing of thoughts, sharing of ideas. If, for example, somebody in Saskatchewan has a good idea, why not that idea can be replicated here in British Columbia and for that matter in Vancouver, Surrey also? Because from here up till Yukon territories, whatever person is from Pakistan, they must enjoy life here, get integrated into system and become a productive Canadian. Thank you.
So my follow-up question within the same question is, how are you getting engaged with the community organization? What kind of criteria you have to have their board of directors on board onto what you are going to organize?
As an initial step, it's not elaborate. I am concentrating on the president or a secretary general or a person who president or the association can earmark to become part of this WhatsApp group. And we will develop it from here. Naveed, the main issue is, and my request to all the members of this group and Pakistani is, we use a word, please don't istihqaq kisi ka majroo mat kare. You have a positive input, please give us. You have made an achievement, please share that. For example, recently there were 2-3 letters which I received from our Pakistan Canadian Association in Calgary. Mr. Mehman there has made an effort in which he got grants from the Canadian authorities in helping out in COVID-19 operations. Brilliant. Then he asked a university to start a program with the help of the student in which it stated how to benefit ethnically diverse students, i.e. maybe from Pakistan also, to help them understand the ills of substance abuse. For example, drugs, for example, alcohol abuse, drunken driving, and how to connect parents who were born in Pakistan with children who were born in Canada. Now these are very subtle but very, very critical things. And for that I must compliment Mr. Memon on this. And likewise, if this idea is shared by associations and they implement such programs within their systems, why not? And the bottom line is, Naveed, the aim should be that our children should finish graduations. Our children should enter into Canadian society at a higher strata. Electricians are good, everything is good, but if you are well educated, obviously you will be a lawyer or a judge or a parliamentarian or even in the army or in the higher up in the police force. So that is the aim, to bring up our society up and into the Canadian system.
So, social media is playing a key role nowadays for effective communication. We have seen Ottawa Consulate and many other cities' consulate have their own Facebook pages as well as other available social media links. Do we have any planning for our Vancouver Consulate to be on social media networks?
Naveed, we are already on the social media. The handle which the Facebook account, the Twitter account, the Instagram account is using is Park in Vancouver. I repeat, Park in Vancouver. Please follow us there, and you will find that there is another channel by which you can approach the Consulate General by sending a message on Facebook and Twitter, because these two facilities on these two social medias have not been disabled, because we in this consulate want to have the community a direct link, not only with the consulate itself but with the Consul General himself. So whatever messages which you will send or queries which you will send, it is me who is going to personally see and look at it and address it to the best of my ability.
We heard online visa processing is being initiated. What kind of success we are seeing in that initiative, and what are the other online services in the pipeline?
For now, the visa has gone completely and absolutely online. As of 31st of January, a step taken by the government of Pakistan has been implemented. Today is the 12th of February. So far we haven't seen any major issues which have cropped up. Visas are being processed online and being approved and being recommended or rejected online with cogent reasons, of course. The other online facility, as you know, is NICOP and renewal of even passports. To this effect, we have also requested the immigration and passport authorities in Pakistan to devise a system in which we can take a technical device with us to far-flung area from where we can get biometrics, bring them back and put it in the system over here in the Consulate General. Because of technical reason, we can't take this system out of the office because it is connected with its own integral servers, and to carry that server and to carry ISP lines is next to impossible. The next best solution is that we carry these things. The second option we have done is we have written to the State Bank of Pakistan to initiate online process by which we can take fingerprints and biometrics over here and give it back to the authorities back home for the sake of dormant accounts. The cumbersome procedure should be again streamlined and brought online for the facilitation of everybody. There is yet another project in pipeline which we are seriously considering and on which we will take initiative, is to seek the State Bank's concurrence and approval and devise a system by which a State Bank as well as the regional attestation office and regional district authorities, by which we can even transfer the biometrics from here direct to those authorities using the system in case of power of attorneys, character certificates, other things which need attestation and needs biometrics. We will take it here, we will send it there, and I hope that system also comes online.
Wonderful. Now, March 23rd, the Pakistan Day is coming very close. Usually, consulate organize a flag hosting. What would the direction this year you are taking? Because I know there is a COVID and a lot of other circumstances has been changed. So, what are the Consul General planning this year?
23rd March is a very important day in the history of Pakistan, where the resolution was passed. This day has its own importance and relevance in the history of Pakistan and the lives of Pakistanis. The celebration of this event will be purely be directed or influenced by the COVID situation at that time in vogue in British Columbia and in particular Vancouver. However, worst case scenario, there will be a flag hoisting ceremony. At the most, few media personnel will be invited with bare minimum strength from the consulate, keeping in view social distancing and other things. There will be no refreshments or recreational activities related to this event for that time. But then, like I said, it depends what the situation of COVID is at that time.
So, what are your thoughts and what are you going to give the message to the Pakistani community who's living here on Family Day?
Naveed, thank you so very much for giving me this opportunity to send this message to our community as well. Ladies and gentlemen, family, खानदान एक बहुत ज़रूरी जुज़ है, is a very important element of a social life. I was pleasantly surprised when I found out, when I came here, that there is a holiday regarding known as the Family Day, and I went into its history. And I was, again, like I said, I was pleasantly surprised that people here are so conscientious that they have taken out time between the 25th of December and the next, which is, I believe, is Easter, a time where families can get together and have interaction with each other. That being said, please concentrate on your family, meaning your immediate family, your wife, your children, in case your father, your mother, and keep it at that. But at the same time, remember and pray for your extended families, not only here, but in Pakistan. Not only in Pakistan, even for Canada itself. May God grant Canada and Pakistan health and riddance from this COVID-19 disease.
Thank you very much, Consul General Jambaz Sahab. Shukriya.
Very kind.